Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll calculate slope of a line. As per the problem, calculate the slope of line segment joining the points 1.5, negative 2.7 and negative 3.9, 6.2. In this problem, we are given 2 points that are joined by the line segment. We have to calculate the slope of the line segment. We can use the slope formula. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula, x1, x2, y1 and y2 represent the coordinates of the 2 points that are on the line segment. In the two given points, all coordinates are in decimal form, but that does not change the steps for finding the slope of the line segment. We calculate the slope the same way we do for points with whole number coordinates. The first step is to label one of these two given points as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. We can label either of these 2 points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. The final answer will be the same. Next, we should sub in these values in the slope formula. y2 is equal to 6.2, y1 is negative 2.7, x2 is negative 3.9, x1 is 1.5. Now we can simplify this expression. In the numerator, minus negative 2.7 is equal to plus 2.7. In the denominator, negative 3.9 minus 1.5 is equal to negative 5.4. In the numerator, 6.2 plus 2.7 is equal to 8.9. In the fraction 8.9 over negative 5.4, we can move the negative sign to the front of the fraction. We cannot reduce this fraction. We can simplify this fraction by getting rid of the decimal point in the numerator and denominator. We can do that by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 10. I get negative 89 over 54. We can also do this calculation in our calculator. This should be the final answer for the slope of this line segment. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.